Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn off the yellow line in CapCut. In order to do so, here we are in CapCut, and as you can see we have this yellow line that's showing up. Well, where did it come from and how do we turn it off? Well, it came from the preview access. If you come over here to this icon, if you toggle that off, then you'll see now that the yellow line is gone. You can also enable or disable the yellow line by pressing the S key on your keyboard. And if you have the yellow line that has shown up and you don't know where it came from, well, it's possible that you accidentally pressed the S key on your keyboard, and that's basically where that comes from. So all you have to do is just turn that on and off by pressing the S key, or you can press the icon over here. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.